Have you noticed that recently your TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts feed is full of incredibly satisfying mechanical toy videos? These videos feature tiny wooden dragons, clockwork dinosaurs, mechanical birds, and other amazing moving creations. What's even more surprising is that many of these videos are getting millions of views in just a few days. Some creators have built entire TikTok accounts around this style of content, and have gained hundreds of thousands or even millions of followers by posting nothing but these short mechanical toy videos. The best part? You don't need to build these toys yourself. Most of these videos are created entirely with AI. In today's video, I'll show you this trending content style, introduce you to successful creators using it, and explain how you can start making similar videos yourself. Today, I'll show you a simple method using just ChatGPT and Google Flow AI. We'll first generate a detailed prompt in ChatGPT, then use that prompt in Google Flow to create an amazing AI video. Let's get started. The first step is creating a detailed prompt. Open ChatGPT and describe the type of mechanical toy you want to create. For example, you can ask ChatGPT, create an ultra-realistic image prompt for a handcrafted mechanical dragon toy made from brass, wood, and copper with exposed gears, cinematic lighting, and a vintage workshop background. ChatGPT will generate a detailed prompt that includes the toy design, materials like brass. Once the prompt is ready, simply copy it. You can make small changes if you want a different animal or toy. For example, dragon, dinosaur, owl, peacock, spider, horse, robot, mechanical fish. One well-written prompt can be reused to create many different designs. Now open Google Flow AI. Start a new project and choose the image or text-to-video generation option, depending on what's available in your version. Paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT into the prompt box. If Google Flow lets you adjust settings, choose high quality and set the video to a vertical format if you're creating shorts, reels, or TikTok videos. Then click Generate. The AI will begin creating your mechanical toy video. After the video is generated, watch it carefully. You'll notice details like rotating gears, moving wings, glowing eyes, and smooth cinematic camera movement. If you want a different style, simply edit the prompt in ChatGPT. For example, you can change the animal or toy, the materials, the workshop environment, the lighting, the camera angle, the movement. Small prompt changes can produce completely different results. Final tips: to make your videos stand out, use highly detailed prompts. Keep your videos between 8 and 15 seconds for shorts and TikTok. Add relaxing background music or mechanical sound effects. Upload consistently with eye-catching titles and thumbnails. The more unique your designs are, the better your chances of attracting viewers. That's how you can create stunning AI mechanical toy videos using ChatGPT and Google Flow AI. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials, websites, and online earning tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.